How to prepare for essay exams. Are you feeling anxious about your upcoming essay exams? You are not alone. Many students face this challenge, but with the right strategies, you can tackle it head-on. Let's break down how to prepare effectively for essay exams. First, start your preparation early. Don't wait until the last minute. Create a study schedule that divides your material into smaller sections. Aim for daily study sessions that are short but consistent. Longer review sessions on weekends can help reinforce what you have learned. Next, organize your study space. Find a quiet area where you can focus without distractions. Keep all your materials, such as notes and textbooks, within reach. A tidy space can help you concentrate better and reduce stress. Now, let's talk about active learning techniques. Instead of just reading your notes, engage with the material. Create mind maps to connect key concepts visually. Use flashcards for important terms and dates, and practice spaced repetition to help with memory. Teaching the material to someone else or explaining it aloud can also clarify your understanding. It is also important to practice writing under exam conditions. Simulate the exam environment by timing yourself. Work in a quiet space and try answering past essay questions or potential prompts. This practice will help you get familiar with the exam format and improve your time management. When it comes to writing your essays, develop a clear structure. Start with an introduction that includes a thesis statement. Follow with body paragraphs that provide supporting evidence, and finish with a concise conclusion. Practicing this structure will help you write focused essays quickly during the exam. As soon as the exam starts, use the brain dump technique. Write down key facts, formulas, or outlines on scrap paper. This will free your mind from trying to recall details later, allowing you to focus on writing your essays. During the exam, prioritize your time wisely. Scan through all the essay questions and start with the ones you feel most confident about. This approach will help you build momentum and secure easy points early on. Afterward, return to the more challenging questions with a fresh perspective. Don't forget to take smart breaks during your study sessions. Consider using the Pomodoro method, where you study for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. After several cycles, take a longer break. This technique helps maintain your mental energy and prevents burnout. Lastly, ensure you get adequate rest and nutrition. A good night's sleep before the exam is essential. Eating a healthy breakfast will also improve your concentration and cognitive function. By following these steps, you can prepare efficiently for your essay exams. You will improve your ability to recall and organize information, and write clear essays under time constraints. With consistent study habits and practical test strategies, you will be well on your way to success.